Yes, anyway, nothing to do. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Optical drive.
Yes. Who gave that answer? Who gave that answer? Yes, now very good. Optical drive. What can we do by the optical drive? What can we do by the optical drive? For which purpose are we using this optical drive? Yahan? What can we do by the optical drive? Or for which types of purposes that we are using these optical drives? Then what uttara? Oh, Naomi?
Is done.
Huh?
DVD.
What?
DVD.
DVD means? DVD means digital versatile disc. What is the relationship between this DVD and this one? This is an optical drive. You are talking about
DVD.
Huh? Yes. That is an optical drive. You all are talking DVD. What is the relationship between this DVD and that optical drive? Huh? මොකක්ද වෙනස? For which purposes are we using
When insert DVD to the optical drive read by electromagnet and lasers
oh, good.
In DVD.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Yahan.
When data is stored in DVD, when DVD insert to the optical drive running and writing and reading data like hard disk
Yes.
using electromagnet method.
Yes. Have we done it earlier? Have we discussed this earlier?
No, sir.
Okay. Very good. Any other comments and suggestions? Any other comments and suggestions regarding this? Anjani? Yes. Yahan is correct. Yahan is correct. Optical drive. Optical drive is a device which is using to read CDs, DVDs, and other optical media. Therefore, we can say optical drive is the device which is using to read, retrieve, and change the data which belongs to the optical media. Optical media. What are these optical media? One of them optical media. CDs, DVDs, like that. CDs, DVDs. Then there are lots of categories in these CDs and DVDs. CDs, CDR and CDRW. Then DVD, DVDR and RW. Then DVD dual layer, like that. Then
Blu-ray.
yes, yes, Blu-ray also. So how it's working? Huh? How this optical drive is working? Hmm? Inside this optical drive, there's inside this optical drive. Ayan, yes, you can say something. You have already raised the hand.
Function of optical drive when insert DVD to optical drive. Optical drive rotates DVD and writing and rewriting and writing and read DVD data by electromagnet method like hard disk.
Yes, very good. Actually, it's very really good explanation. His answer is correct. Ian's answer is correct. Inside of this device, there's a laser head. By that laser head, it reads the data from the optical media. Also, it can store the data to the optical media. This storing and retrieving process is happening by the electromagnetic beams. This reading and retrieving processes are happening by the electromagnetic beams. Electromagnetic beams. So when we put the CD or DVD or any Blu-ray disc into this drive, and when we switch it on, it's starting to operate. It's starting to operate. It's starting to operate means the inside discs are spinning quickly, spinning very quickly, right? Spinning very quickly. When these discs are spinning inside, what's happening is there's a small head called read-write head. It's the same as hard disk, but it's not similar to the hard disk. Actually, it's a method is the device is same, but it's working process is not similar to the hard disk. Device is same. Inside the DVD, inside the optical drive also, there's a read-write head. Inside the hard disk also, there's a read-write head. In the hard disk, it's the read-write head is working with the actuator arm. But here the read-write head has already located on a seek bar. Has already located on a seek bar, because that disk is, when that disk is spinning, when that disk is spinning, by that read-write head can retrieve the data and store the data. How it's happening? How it's happening? That read-write head has already fixed to the already fixed to the movable arm. It's moving to up and moving to down, moving to up and moving to down, like that. So when that DVD is rotating, DVD or optical this media is rotating inside, that beam is, that head is going up and down, going up and down, going up and down. While it's going up and down, CPU sends the data. CPU sends the data from its motherboard to this device data port. From this device data port. So when that data receives to this data port, what's happening is inside also there's a motherboard similar to hard disk. Through that motherboard, it passes the particular data into the read write head. Then what should it be do? So because motherboard want to store some data, then when that data sends to the read write head, it's starting to write on the surface of the optical drive. It's starting to write on the surface of the optical drive. How it's happening? It's happening by the electromagnetic beam. It's happening by the electromagnetic beam. So when that electromagnetic beam is moving on the surface of the hard disk, what's happening is due to the stored data, when that read and write head is moving up and down, it starts to hit to the optical disc. It starts to hit to the optical disc. When that beam is hits to the optical disc by the beam. When that beam is hitting on the surface of the optical disc, what's happening is some places of the particular disc are some places of the particular discs are discs are particular discs are getting ready to the store data. How it's storing data? When that head is moving on the surface of the optical media, it start to write the data there. So when it's start writing data, what's happening is due to the data signal which comes from the laser beam, damage to the optical discs surface. ඒක rotate වෙනකොට මේ head එක උඩ පල්ලෙහා යනවා. motherboard එකේ යනවා signal ටිකක් වෙන්න මේ ටික store කරන්න. ඉතින් මෙයා මේ ටික store කරන්න යන්නේ කොහොමද? First of all, it should first of all, the disk should rotate. Then secondly, then beam should go up and down. When both of these processes are happening, the surface of the head is started to getting it started to show little bubbles on the surface. Punchi bubbles again surface එක පෙන්වන්න ගන්න. Those are the data. මේවා තමයි data කියලා කියන්නේ. එතන මේ data තියෙන්නේ optical drive එකේ surface. So think if suddenly your mother your computer's motherboard requesting you to send the particular data from the entire optical drive. So what's happening is, again, we have to put that optical drive to the DVD-ROM, and we have to operate this DVD-ROM. It's start to spinning. It starts to spinning. So when it's spinning, if that read-write head goes up and down, definitely it will catch up few datas within the surface of the disk, right? How it's happening? So I said when it stored the data by the beam, it makes this surface like little bubbles. Podi bubbles okay hadan. Mata vinadiyak denna putha. Give me a second. Right. So earlier I said when that when it's storing data by that head, it makes little bubbles on the surface of the disk, right? So now it want to read the data because motherboard sends some request to this device to read some data. So when it's reading, what's happening is, by that head starting to send the electromagnetic beam to the surface of the disk. Disk is rotating. When that electromagnetic beam is spotting onto the surface, when that electromagnetic beam is spotting onto the surface of the disk while the disk is rotating, what's happening is, when that beam meets that little bubbles, what's happening is that beam is starting to bounce. Beam is bouncing up. When the beam meets that particular bubbles that created as data, that when the disk is rotating inside, that beam is starting to bounce when it meets the particular bubble. Or one podi bubbles hadana කියලා. ඒ bubbles හැදුනහම දැන් ඒ bubbles හැදෙන්නේ අපි මේක data එක create වුණාම. data එක create වුණාම තමයි bubbles හැදෙන්නේ. එතකොට මෙයාගේ data read කරනකොට මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? ආපු signal එකට data read කරනවා head එකෙන්. head එකෙන් data read කරද්දි අර electromagnetic beam එක disk එකේ surface එකට වැටෙනවා. disk එක කැරකෙනවා. ඒ කැරකෙන අතරේ surface එකට වැටෙනවා. So when that disk is rotating, the head also going up and down, moving up and down. Beam is going up and down on the surface. So when that beam meets the particular bubble, what's happening is beam is jumping up. Beam එක උඩ පනිනවා. Bouncing back. That beam is bouncing back. That is how it reads the data on the surface of the disk. තේරුණාද? Have you all understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
Others? නොතේරිච්ච අය ඉන්නවනම් අහන්න. අංජානි?
A little bit, sir.
Little bit. Dulanjana?
Sir.
Yes. Any matter?
ඒකට සර් බබල් වෙන එක මොකද්ද?
Oh, bubble එන්නේ මෙහෙම. I can. So, wait a minute. Give me a second. මට විනාඩියක් දෙන්න. Here is the disk. Here is the optical disk, optical media. This is the optical device. So inside this optical drive, there's a special method to deal with this device. There's a special method to deal with this particular disk. Okay. That is how means when we insert this disk into this device, when we insert this disk and switch on this device, it's starting to operate. Operate means this disk is starting to rotate inside. Right? When it's rotating, there's another special thing on the surface, on spotting to its surface. There's another special device which is spotting to its surface. මේ surface එකට මේ දැන් මෙහිම කැරකෙනවා. ඒ කැරකෙනකොට මෙයාගේ surface එකට spot වෙලා තව device එකක් තියෙනවා. This device has already fixed to the movable lever. Movable lever එකකට මේ fix වෙලා තියෙනවා.
සර් මෙහෙන්ට කරන්ට් නෑ සර් ලයිට් ඔක්කොම ඩිම් වෙලා නේ තියෙන්නේ සර් මම ලීව් වෙන්නද රෙකෝඩින් දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
අපෝ බෑ. රෙකෝඩින් දානවා එහෙම?
ඔව් සර් කරන්ට් ගියා ඔක්කොම ලයිට් ඩිම් වෙලා. ෆෝන් එකෙන් පුළුවන් ටික ඉන්න.
හරි. ඔයා පුළුවන් විදියට ඉන්න නැත්නම් බැරි වුණොත් මේ ලීව් වෙන්න පුතේ කමක් නැහැ. right? බැරි වුණොත් ලීව් වෙන්න. මම රෙකෝඩින් දාලා තියෙනවා. ඔව්
ඒතකොට සර් ස්පොට් වෙච්ච මේ ලීවර් එකක් එක්ක තියෙනවා කිව්වනේ මේ
ඔව් ඒක තමයි මම කියන්නේ. පොඩේ ඒක තමයි මම කියන්නේ. ඈ that device calls read write head. That device calls read write head. Okay, that device is working with the electromagnetic beams. By that device, by that special device called head, it sends the electromagnetic beams by that to the surface of this disk. It has already spotted onto the surface of the disk. Not touching here, already spotted. When it's operate, that device is sending the electromagnetic beams to this surface of the disk, right? That is the method it's operating inside. When this disk is operating inside, that head with the movable arm also going up and down. මෙයා මෙහෙම කරකිනකොට arm head එක movable arm එකෙන් මෙහෙම උඩට එනවා යටට යනවා. මේ ටිකේ මෙහෙම. හරිද? මේකට ස්පොට් වෙලා තියාගෙන මෙහෙම උඩට එනවා යටට යනවා. එතකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? ඒ වෙනකොට එයාගෙන් electromagnetic beam එකකුත් මෙතෙන්ට වදිනවා. surface එකට එනවා වදිනවා. හරිද? ඕක තමයි that is the theory. That is the theory. So now I'll explain how it stores data. So when it's operating inside, think the motherboard sends some request to store some data. හිතන්න මෙයා ඇතුලේ operate වෙනකොට motherboard එක එව්වා signal එකක් data store කරන්න. මොනවාරි data ටිකක් එව්වා. First it's come to the motherboard inside motherboard of the motherboard of this device. Then through the motherboard, that signal comes to the particular head, right? On a head එක ටාව signal එක data ටික write කරා store කරා. So how it's happening is when this disk is rotating, I told you all that head has already spotted to the surface. Due to the signal sent by the motherboard, the head is sending a electromagnetic beam to this surface to burn it. The head is sending an electromagnetic beam to this surface of the disk to get burn it due to the signal sent by the motherboard. Understand that? Right?
yes sir.
So when that spot starts to burn, it makes a little bubble. May make a burn උනාට පස්සේ පොඩි බිබුලක් හැදෙනවා. Due to that data, පොඩි බිබුලක් හැදෙනවා. ඒක තමයි data එක. හරිද?
එහෙනම් පුරක් ඇදෙනවද?
ඔව්. මේක මේ CD එක ඔයගලන් maximum zoom කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් maximum zoom කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් තැනක් වුණොත් එතෙන්දි පේනවා මේක ඇතුලේ හැදිච්ච dots ගන්න. මේකේ හැදෙන dots ගන්න. ඒක තමයි data. හරිද? ඒක තමයි data. මේ CD එකේ dots හැදෙනවා. අර එන signals වල. එන්නේ මොනවද? binary signals. What are the signals? All are binaries. So here within the head, those binary signals are turning to the electromagnetic beam is starting to spot to this surface by the pattern of the binaries, right? Binary නේ binary ආවට පස්සේ මේ electromagnetic beam එක අර binary pattern එකට අනුව මේකට spot වෙනවා. එක බිඳුව pattern එක එක බිඳුව ඔය pattern එකට මේකට spot වෙනවා. spot වෙන්නේ මේක burn කරා. එක බිඳුව විදිහට මේක burn වෙනවා. එතකොට burn වෙනකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? burn වෙච්ච තැන පොඩි bubble එකක්. ඒ bubble එක තමයි data එක කියලා. අපි මේක ලොකු කරලා බැලුවොත් මේක ලොකු උද්ද magnifier එකකින් ලොකු කරලා බැලුවොත් මේකේ තියෙන dotted spots. Understood that? Anjani? Naomi?
ඉතින් අයියේ හිරුණාම වැඩ කරන්නේ නැත්තේ?
මොකද පුතේ?
අයියේ හිරුණාම වැඩ කරන්නේ නැත්තේ?
ඉතින් හීරුණාම වැඩ කරන්නේ නැත්තේ ඇයි? ඇයි හීරුණාම වැඩ කරන්නේ නැත්තේ? මේකේ හීරනවා කියන්නේ
බෝටි ටික යනවා.
ඈ කියන්න?
bubbles එන්න විදියක් නැහැ නේ හිරුණාට පස්සේ.
ඔව් ඒක තමයි වෙන්නේ. එකක් දැන් අපි රයිට් කරපු CD එකක්. ඒක හීරුණා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? දැන් අර ඉරක් ඇඳෙනකොට අර බබල්ස් හරහා ඉර ඇඳෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. එතකොට අර බබල් පැටර්න් එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. දැන් බබල් එක හරහා ඉර ඇඳුනහම සමහරවිට බබල් එක කැඩිලා යනවා. බබල් එක මැද්දෙන් ඉරක් යනවා මේ. එතකොට අර බීම් එකට මෙයා කියවන්න බැරි වෙනවා. ඒකයි කියවන්න බැරි වෙන්නේ. දැන් බබල් එක මැද්දෙන් ඉරක් ගියා කියන්නේ එතකොට මැද්ද කැඩෙනවනේ. බබල් එක මැද්ද කැඩෙනවා. එතකොට මම ඉස්සෙල්ලා කිව්වා අර බීම් එක බබල් එකට වැටුනහම බීම් එක ආපහු බවුන්ස් බෑක් වෙනවා. එතකොට බබල් එක උඩදී තැන් දෙකකදී බවුන්ස් බෑක් වෙනවා. ඇයි මැද කැඩිලානේ තියෙන්නේ. හරියට බවුන්ස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එක සැරයක් බවුන්ස් වුණා ආයි කැඩිච්ච තැනදී ඇතුළට එනවා. ආපහු ඊළඟට කැඩිච්ච තැනදී ඇතුළට ඇවිල්ලා ආයි ඊළඟ තැනදී උඩට එනවා. එතකොට බබල් එක මැදදී මේක දෙපාරක් මෙහෙම බවුන්ස් වෙනවා. එහෙම වෙච්ච ගමන් එයාට හරියට මේක ගන්න බෑ. තේරුණාද කතාව?
Yes sir.
yes sir.
Anjani understood that? Yes or no?
sir.
Is it clear to you? Or not clear?
Yes sir, clear.
Or nuclear? Clear or nuclear? Huh?
Clear.
Ah. If it is clear, it's okay. I thought it's nuclear. You know what is the meaning of nuclear, isn't it? Huh? What is the meaning of nuclear?
nuclear energy
Huh?
nuclear energy sir.
Oh නෑ මං ඇහුවේ clear ද nuclear ද කියලා. මං ඇහුවේ ඊට පස්සේ ආයි මං ඇහුවා මොකද්ද nuclear කියන එකේ තේරුම කියලා මං ඇහුවේ. දන්නවද? දන්නේ? Matisha? What is the meaning of nuclear? Nuclear weapons? Nashtika bale? Nuclear. Nashtika.
nuclear station උත් තියෙනවනේ ජපාන් වල.
Apa
nuclear station තියෙනවනේ sir ජපාන් වල.
Oh, not only Japan. Nuclear, not only Japan, USA and lots of countries. මම පෙන්නන්නම් ඊළඟට මේකේ මේ dotted හැදිච්ච තැන. මේ dotted හැදිච්ච තැනක් මම පෙන්නන්නම් ඔයාලට. බලමු අපිට ඒක මෙතනින් ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් හරියි. right ඔන්න බලන්න මම මේක දැන් share කරනවා ඔයාලට. Look at this. Can you all look at this? Huh?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Here this is the magnified view of the dots on the surface. This is the magnified view of the dots on the surface of the CD. The different patterns of dots correspond to the data stored on the disk. Had the data zeros and ones විදියට හැදෙන data ඔය තියෙන්නේ. මේක ලොකුවට zoom කරලා බලපුව view එකක් තමයි ඔය තියෙන්නේ. Now it's clear, no? Isn't it?
ඇල්ලුවම ඩොට් pattern එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහනේ.
මොකද්ද පුතා?
CD එක එහෙම ඇල්ලුනොත් ඒ ඩොට් pattern එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහනේ.
ඇල්ලුනොත් කියන්නේ අතින් ඇල්ලුවටද?
ඔව් සර්.
නෑ අතින් ඇල්ලුවට මුකුත් වෙන්නේ නෑ. ඉතින් මේ අපි අතින් අල්ලන්නේ. මේ අල්ලන්නේ. ඔව් පුතා කියන්න.
එතකොට සර් මේ dots ඇවිල්ලා තින්නේ අපි store කරන data ගන්නට නෙවෙයිනේ.
ඔය තියෙන්නේ ස්ටෝර් කරපු data තමයි.
data අඩු වුණොත් dots අඩුයි.
අඩුයි. අපි හිතමු පොඩි data එකක් කියලා නිකන් අපි හිතමු පොඩි document එකක් මේකේ CD එකේ write කළා කියලා megabyte දෙකක තුනක. එතකොට නිකන් පොඩි dots චුට්ටක් විතරක් තියෙන එක තැනක තියෙයි එච්චරයි. එච්චරයි වෙන්නේ. Understood it?
Yes.
Naomi, understood that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what I want. Then, that is the working process of the optical device, optical drive. Here, I'll explain about this CD also. This optical media also I'll explain. I said on the surface of the optical media, that electromagnetic beam makes dots. No, how it's happening? To make dots, what is the material they used on the surface of the disk to make the dots?
Electromagnetic view
No.
data.
No. I mean, to make the dots by the electromagnetic beam on the surface of this disk, which material they used on this surface of the disk? May surface එකේ electromagnet. Nah, not magnets. It's a die. මේකේ තියෙන die එකක් ගාලා තියෙනවා. die එකක් තියෙන්නේ මේ ගාලා තියෙන die එකක්. ඒකනේ අපි මේක අතින් අපිට හූරන්න පුළුවන්. Here there's a die. මේක උඩ die එකක් ගාලා තියෙන පුතේ. After the die, they have already pasted a sticker. Under this sticker, here this is a sticker. Under this sticker, there's a coating of die. මේක die coating එකක් තියෙනවා. Because of that, because of the electromagnetic beam at the spotted place of the electromagnetic beam, this die is burned, and this die burned and make it as a little bubble. A die එක burn වෙනවා, burn වෙලා පොඩි බිබුලක් හැදෙනවා. ඒකයි වෙන්නේ. අර beam එකට මේ die එක burn කරලා බිබුලක් හදනවා. ඒක තමයි කරන්නේ.